Hello YouTube, hey, it's me again. I just had to make another video. It's freaking cold out, so thought I'd make a rather unusual video. Anybody that knows me knows I used to import Austin Minis. I used to own about, I don't know, 6 or 7 of them. I used to own an Austin Mini limo. I imported my brother's old Austin Mini truck. I just liked them. I'm not a big, now I have one. I have the seats for it. I got rid of most of all the parts, just, money pit, including this car, still money pit, but I still like Austin Minis. So I'm going to show you a bunch of Austin Minis I still own that are not a money pit. So I'm going to turn the camera down this way and show you. One of the things when I went to London the Bright Mini Run is I picked up some little itty bitty Austin Minis. Not sure if you can see them, but I have a whole bunch of little Austin Minis. I went to London the Brighton Mini Run many times, and I've given a bunch of these away. I've sold a few, but I've always kept a whole bunch. They're my little itty bitty titty Austin Minis. So, anybody who asks if I own Austin Minis, I own one big one and a whole bunch of little small ones. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 Austin Minis. I don't know if you can see them, but these little suckers are gigantic. I don't know if you can see that, but those are my little miniature Austin Minis. See the Austin Mini? They are cool. They're gigantic. But, I mean, look at these things. Oh, dropped them. But yeah, I picked them up in London the Brighton Mini Run on the beach. I couldn't help it. I bought the whole box. I thought they were the coolest things in the world. Little tiny Austin Minis. And, I don't know, decided to share them with you. So, yeah. Go for a drive here. See? We could have little drag races. Yeah. It'd be fun to put magnets underneath them and race them all over the place. So that's my little Austin Mini parking lot. If you want to compare what the size of they are, I have any quarters on me, I'll show you how big they are. I mean, you already seen a picture of them, but that's the size of a quarter. That's the size of Austin Mini. It's pretty cool. Can't really see them up close, but this camera sucks too. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever.